Yes, guys, this is my water leaf, washed and sliced, and yeah, this is my dry fish. This is bonga and peeling strong kanda. People in Cameroon understand better. This is strong kanda and bonga, and this is my Okonghbong sliced and about to be washed. I don't like washing before slicing because when you're slicing, the water just makes me feel one type like that. So yeah, I always just slice everything before I wash later and put in the colander to drain. So yup, that's what's happening right there. This Okonghbong is heavenly. Just follow. This is my meat. I already cooked my meat in the pressure pot because I don't want to be wasting my gas. So meat and cow skin kanda was already cooked. And right here, this is egusi, 2 cups of egusi. The Okonghbong was for 1,000. Let me say 114. Yeah. And then the 2 cups of egusi. Just one bundle of water leaf for 150 francs. Yeah. Because we don't want too much water leaf. We just need a small quantity of water leaf. This egusi already ground. And yeah. So at this point, I'm putting it on fire. I used the stock from the meat to cook my egusi. That's what you're seeing right here. I'm cooking my egusi now. I have to cook it for some time until it's well cooked. I added the cow skin inside because it was still a bit tough. Decided to put it here because though I had cooked it, but I don't want it to be difficult for these children, so I want to make it a bit softer. Let's gist now. Let's gist. This is what I'm doing. I'm fixing the fish right here. This actually ought to have gone inside before adding the egusi, but the fish not strong sha. This is bonga and strong kanda. So this for the strong kanda is a bit tough, but it will not cause any issue. Less than no time I'll be done, and I'll put it in the pot. See, we have cooked meat and kanda, that's cow skin. Of course, there's crayfish and this is dry fish. Yes, I know easy. I was talking with one lady when I was in Yaoundé. There was one of my, was she a friend? We're writing concours together. We met in one of the preparatory classes, and she was gisting me. She was married then. I was still single. She was gisting me that day. If I see her like that, she's looking stressed because they've been fighting with the husband. Not physical bomb like that, but I mean that calling and arguments and all that, because the sister-in-law came from the village and the husband gave her 5,000 to cook. So auntie say he asked for this, say for the past 3 months they have not eaten meat in this house. Now that your sister came, you are giving 5,000 for food money. When I ask money to cook in the house, you give 2,000 that we should manage. So 5,000 don't come out today because your sister don't come and be. Now you correct with chop meat. Now my aunts came here and went. We're eating beans. And now that is your sister. Hey, marriage no easy. All kind of problem the women here. Nothing that people they actually face some. This is a real life story. It's not like I'm imagining something, or these are the kind of issues that people face in marriages. Hey, Papa God. We keep telling women to work and have their own money. But when you have a stingy man, a very stingy man who is even stingy to himself, because when you give 2,000 francs that they should cook, when you come back from work, is that same food that you're coming to eat, right? And if you think that if you give them to cook meat, your wife will eat the meat more, and you are starving yourself and your children. Or probably when you go to work, you eat somewhere. They come home, you just pretend that, oh, you just try to eat since you don't want your wife to be angry. You still just small. Hey, some of these things I think that if you see them doing courtship, just run you. Because marriage does not change anything. The kids are on holidays and you're getting the noise. At one point, I'll just do a voice over this video because I don't know how to control it anymore. Marital issues. When I see how I just go and buy meat, like 5-6 kilos, and come and keep in the house to be eating. But I don't want to go into the market every day. Then I still remember of stories that people tell me that they eat meat once in 3 months. I'm like, me say something and they only thank God for when I think they only need to thank God for. Like I should wake up every day and say thank you Jesus that I'm able to eat meat, fish, anything that I want to eat in this house without it being a fight. Mama, oh, I pray for any single sister watching me. May you not fall in the wrong hands, I beg. How can a man be stingy to his family? That's your family. You get married, your family, that's your first family. Your wife becomes your family. If you still wait until your extended family, because now your siblings, your mom, they are your extended family. Take it or leave it, that's the truth. Those are the people you still consider important, and you think that your wife is a stranger. Mama mia. May God help us. So we are gisting and fixing the fish. I'm almost done. And after this, I'll just go and add it in the pot. I'm kind of stressed. With the way things is also difficult and expensive for the country now, so not even only for Cameroon, everywhere, because I watch videos from content creators in Nigeria and I get the same complaint, the same cry. And you give your wife 2,000 to cook. Mama, now you try, oh. Now you try, oh. Husbands who do that should change, I beg. This is me cooking Okonghbong. If you come to my house now, give you Okonghbong, you eat and lick your finger and say your wife cannot cook this. How much do you give her? You give how much for cook? Hey. On a the kind of thing the way you fear say, if I want to tell this more fish so things say if you give your own money make cook chop, you go chop half of the meat for kitchen. So what? So what? So yummy, Jesus. If you cook this for your family, you will not imagine what God will do to you. You sure that God will bless you. Because I don't want to talk about your husband or your children. God will just bless you for being this sweet. I always like putting my crayfish and pepper towards the end for it to give me that flavor. I like to get that flavor. Yeah, I put it at the end, towards the end. We are just close to putting off the fire, and everything was already looking so yummy. See that color? See that color? This is what we go for now. See this color? And it's the same thing that will happen to your eru if you follow this procedure. Like, this is cooked almost like eru. The only difference here is that we had a goosey. You see, if you have watched my eru recipe, you see that everything is just, it's just the same procedure, the same steps and everything. The only difference is that you see that I'm saying, and your eru will always come out as green as this Okonghbong looks like now. So yeah, please, so don't forget to tag me when you try it. Don't forget to tag Josie when you try it. Fix it with Josie when you try it. Even your house, if you try it, send me a video. I beg. Hey, just see a whole pot of goodness. My God, food is ready. Oh, we need to talk plenty now, so chop those done. Let's just eat quietly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video. Please like the video. Yeah, subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye. The food is so delicious. I don't want to talk much.